Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AMD Radeon RX 7900 Golden Rabbit Edition. So friend, this model resembles the RX 7800 XT Gaming OC, but it is more compact than the RX 7900 XT Gaming OC version. And friend, it features the triple slot WindForce 3x cooling system, including a dual aluminum fin stack heatsink, copper base plate for heat pipes, and 380 fans. And friend, it is constructed on the AMD Navi 31XL silicon. The RX 7900 GRE utilizes a chiplet-based CPU architecture that allows for a compact size comparable to Navi 32, fitting AMD's design approach for the mobile RX 7900 series. And friend, it features 80 RDNA 3 compute unit amounting to 5120 stream processors and include 160 AI accelerators, 80 ray accelerators and 320 texture mapping unit with a full set of 192 Raster Operation Pipelines equipped with 64 MB of Infinity Cache and using a 256-bit memory interface, and the card supports 16 GB of 18 Mbps GDDR6 memory, achieving a memory bandwidth of 576 GB per second, and the total board power is 260 watt, consisting with RX 7800 XT, and the Gigabyte Gaming OC variant is accepted to have a slight factory overclock to boost performance. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.